Hello everyone. In this video we will learn factor tree. We know that prime numbers are very important. In mathematics, why are they important? Because every composite numbers can be broken down into the prime numbers. Prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 19 are the prime numbers. And composite number 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 and so on, that we learn already. So any composite numbers we can write as a product of a prime number. We can write any composite number. 4 is a composite number and 2 and 2 are the prime numbers. So 2 and 2 का multiply किया, आंसर आया 4. Product means answer. So every composite number, any composite number we can write as a product of a prime number. That is why prime numbers are very important. And prime numbers are important. Why it is important? Take an example. 10. We have 10. So we break 10 into 2 and 5. We all know 2 5s are 10. So 10 breaks. It is written as the product of 2 and 5. Product of 2 and 5. If we multiply 2 by 5, we will get product 10. Now one day 16 was very sad. And why he was sad? He wants to find out his prime numbers. As 4 is broken into 2 and 2, 6 is broken into 2 and 3, 10 is broken into 2 and 5. So these are the friends of these composite numbers. So 16 also confused. It also wants to find out his prime number. So how can be 16 is written as a product of prime number? We wrote 2 2s are 4. So 16 कैसे लिख सकता है prime number में? How can be 16 is written as a product of prime number? So suddenly he observed the tree, and the tree branches are broken or split into other branches. Tree branches are broken into other branches. So 16 thought, why can't I do this it myself? So what will I get if I split like a branches of a tree into smaller numbers? So if 16 is a top of the tree, 16 is a top of the tree. If we write 16 as a top of the tree, it can split into 16 can split into 16 कौन से टेबल में आता है? 2 8s are 16. So we can write that 16 can break into 2 and 8. 2 8s are or 8 2s are 16. Now 2 can we break? Yes, 2 1s are 2. Okay, and 8 also can split. 8 can split into 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. पहले first we wrote the 16 at the top. Then we will split. We will break 16 into 2 parts. 2 8s are 16. Then 2 is a prime number. 8 is a composite number. जो composite number आता है उसको once again हमको split करना है. We have to split that number. Already we split 16. Already we broke 16 into 2 numbers. Then we got 2 and 8. Then once again we got composite number. So we broke 8 into 2 and 4. So once again 2 is a prime number. But 4 is a composite number. So can we split 4? Can we split 4? Yes. 2 2s are 4. 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8 and 2 2s are 4. Now when we reach at the prime numbers, 2 is also prime number and this 2 is also prime number. So when we reach prime numbers, we need to stop. We can break 2 into 2 ones are 2. This 2 is also 2 ones are 2. But it will be continuous as it is a 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. So when we will reach at prime numbers, we need to stop. And now how to write 16 as a product of the prime numbers? Let's write. We will write 16 first and then we will not write composite number. We will write only prime numbers. So first these two, second multiply by 2, then multiply by 2 and at last these two. Total we will count 1, 2, 3 and 4, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. So we got the answer that 16 can break. 16 can split into these prime numbers. We found the prime numbers. Yes, 16 is very happy that he got the prime numbers. And this is called the prime factorization. So this is the prime factorization. Any number we break into the prime numbers. That is the prime factorization, product of that number. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and 8 2s are 16. Yes, completely we broke this 16 into the prime numbers and this is called the prime factorization. Let's break 9 into the prime numbers. We will take 9. So how we will break into the prime numbers? So first we will write 9 and in which two numbers we can break it? Yes, 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. 3 multiply by 3, we will get product, we will get answer 9. Now we have to check 3 is a prime number or composite number? Yes, 3 is a prime number and this 3 is also prime number. So we can write 9 is equal to 3 multiplied by 3 and this is the factor tree and 3 multiplied by 3 is called the prime factorization. Let's take other number 15. 15 we will take. So first we will write 15 and we can circle on it. Now in which two numbers we can break? 2 से divide हो सकता है 15? No, it is odd number. So 3 से करते हैं. 3 5s are 15. Now 5 is prime number. 3 is also prime number. So when we will reach at the prime number, we need to stop. So we will stop here and we can write here 15 is equal to 3 multiplied by 5. Let's take once again 16. 16 is a composite number. Now you are thinking only one way is there to break any number. No, you can break any of. You can break it by your own idea. I want to break this number. 4 4s are 16. I got 4 4s are 16. 2 4 I got. Now 4 is a composite number. So we can split it. We can break it. So we all know 4 कौन से टेबल में आता है? 2 2s are 4. So we reach at the prime number, but this 4 is remain. It also want to break. So we will break this 4 also. जो भी composite number आता है सभी को break करना है. 16 को break किया 4 and 4 में. Then once again एक 4 को break किया 2 and 2 में. So we need to break this 4 also. So we will break into 2 and 2. So now we reach at the end of prime numbers. 2 2 2 and 2 all are the prime numbers. So when we reach at the prime numbers, we need to stop. So we can write 16 is equal to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 and multiply by 2. And this is the prime factorization. Let's take other number 18. 18. Now how we will break it? We can break it 6 3s are 18, 2 9s are 18. Two ways are there. We will break in both the ways. Let's do first 6 3s are 18. 6 3s are 18. 6 3s are 18. Now 6 is not a prime number. It is a composite number. And yes, we know that 6 break into 2 3s are. 2 3s are 6. And now see this 3. 3 is a prime number. So when we reach at the prime numbers, we need to stop. So once again we will write here 18 is equal to, we will start from the smaller number 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. So we got the answer. 2 3s are 6 and 6 3s are 18. Other way is also there. 2 9s are 18. Now these 2 is a prime number, but 9 is not a prime number. It is composite number. 9 can break. That you have to check. 9 कौन से टेबल में आता है? Yes, 3 3s are 9. जो भी कंपोजिट नंबर आते हैं उसको ब्रेक करते जाओ. एंड कहाँ तक ब्रेक करना है? जब भी आपको प्राइम नंबर मिले वहाँ तक. Okay. Now we got the prime number 3 and 3 and this 2 also. So we can write 18 is equal to 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. 2 3s are 6, 3s are 18. Yes, both the answer are right. So both method is correct. Let's take other number 20. Now 20. 10 2s are 20. 4 5s are 20. Two ways are there. So we can take first 2. We will use first 2. We will go smaller to bigger number. So we can write 2 10s are 20. Okay. First, if it is even number, then we will check first 2. So it will be easy for you. Now 2 is a prime number. So here we have to stop. So एक ही side जाना है. 10 is not a prime number. It is a composite number. So we will break 10. 10 को कैसे break कर सकते हैं? Yes, 2 5s are 10. So 2 is a prime number and 5 is also prime number. So we will write here 20 is equal to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 5. 2 2s are 4, 5s are 20. Let's take other number 22. 22 is a which number? Composite number. In which way we can break this 22? कौन से टेबल में आता है? नहीं आता तो डिवाइड करके देख लो. If it is even number, then we can divide it by 2. And we know that 2 11s are 22. So we can write here 2 11s are 22. Now 2 is a prime number. 11 is also prime number. So when we reach at the prime number, what we have to do? We need to stop. And we can write 22 is equal to 2 multiplied by 11. So this is called the factor tree. Let's take other number 28. 28. Now 28 कौन से टेबल में आता है? Which table? 7 4s are 28. Then 14 2s are 28. So we will use first smaller number 2. Okay. 2 14s are 28. 14 2s are 28. Now 2 is a which number? Prime number, and 14 is not a prime. It is composite. So still we can break it. In which two number we can break? 2 7s are 14. जो मेन नंबर आता है उसको 2 नंबर में ब्रेक करो, देन जो कंपोजिट आता है उसको 2 नंबर में ब्रेक करो. ओके, सो वी गॉट द प्राइम नंबर्स. We reach at the prime number. 7 is prime number, 2 is prime number. So we can write 28 is equal to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 7. Okay. Now let's take other number 56. Little bigger number we can take 56. Now 56 कौन से टेबल में आता है? In which table? Easily we can say 8 7s are 56. So let's write 8 7s are 56. No problem. जो easy पड़ता है वो करना है. So we can write 7 8s are 56. Okay, 7 8s are 56. Now let's check 7 is a prime or composite number. 7 is a prime number. We cannot break it. 7 दो ही टेबल में आता है, एक 1 and 7 itself. So this is a prime number. But what about 8? 8 is a prime or composite? Yes, 8 can break into other number. 8 is a composite number. कौन से नंबर में ब्रेक हो सकता है 8? 2 4s are 8. Easy है. Once you break, then it will be easy for you. एक बार आप ब्रेक करो, then वो easy रहेगा. अब we got 2 and 4. क्या हमको मिला? 2 and 4. 7 तो स्टॉप हो गया बिकॉज इट इज प्राइम नंबर. बट नाउ 8 को ब्रेक किया 2 and 4 में. नाउ 2 इज अ प्राइम नंबर बट 4 इज अ कंपोजिट नंबर. सो किसको ब्रेक करना है? 4 को. सो लेट्स ब्रेक 4 into 2 and 2. 2 2s are 4. सो नाउ वी रीच एट द प्राइम नंबर. दोनों प्राइम नंबर आ गए. So let's write 56 is equal to, first we will start with the smaller number. 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 and multiply by 7. So this is called the prime factorization. Prime factorization यानी कि कोई भी composite number को break करो कहाँ तक? Prime number मिलने तक. So this is the prime factorization and this is called the factor tree. Let's take one last number 100. You are thinking 100 is a big number. It is little hard. No, it's not a hard. It's very easy. First 100 कौन से टेबल में आता है that you can think. If you don't know, no problem. 100 मिलता है, जो भी नंबर है उसको डिवाइड करो. इफ इट इज इवन नंबर यू कैन डिवाइड इट बाय 2. सो 100 है, ये इवन नंबर है, सो 2 से डिवाइड कर दो. 2 5s are 10, 0 0 and 0 0. So 0 we got. So 52s are 100. 52s are 100. So we got 2 50s are 100. 2 multiply by 50 we will get product 100. 2 and 50 को multiply करेंगे 100 मिलेगा. Now see the next. 2 is a prime number but 50 is not a prime number. So we need to break 50. We need to break 50. Now 50 is a even number. So it can break by 2. नहीं आता break करना, no problem. Just take a pencil and do the rough work. If it is even number, divide by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 1 is remain and 0. 2 5s are 10. Remainder is 0. So yes, 25 2s are 50. How we will write? 2 multiply by 25. We will get the product 50. 2 multiply by 25. 25 2s are 50. जो ये दोनों में हम ब्रेक करते उसका आंसर ये आना चाहिए. दैट इज द प्रोडक्ट. 25 and 2 की प्रोडक्ट क्या है? 50. 50 एंड 2 की प्रोडक्ट क्या है 100. ओके, सो टॉप से गए नीचे 2 ब्रांचेस, देन 50 की 2 ब्रांचेस, नाउ 2 इज अ प्राइम नंबर. बट 25 we can break, it's not a prime number. In which two number we can break 25? It is very easy. 5 5s are 25. So let's write 5 and 5, 25. Now check it. 5 is a prime or composite? 5 is a prime number. So we reach at the prime number. So we need to stop and we will write 100 is equal to, we will start from smaller number. First 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 5 multiply by 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 25s are 100. So this is called the factor tree. So students, now tell me, factor tree is easy or not? It's a very easy. Just what you want to learn first? Tables. Are you writing the tables every day? If you are not writing, start writing the tables every day. In a day, once in a day you can write the tables. In the morning, otherwise before going to bed. दिन में एक ही बार लिखने हैं tables. You can write 1 to 20 or 11 to 20. No problem. Okay students, so carry on with your work. Thank you.